What's going on, game changers, traders, and innovators? Welcome back to The Right Trade. Just wanted to jump on here real quick. This week was a great week in terms of foreign currencies. Markets are bullish. Gold, pound, and euro, dollars down. But this video is just about really updating y'all, right? Trading is hard. You have to have mentorship. You got to have guidance. It's just like anything. If you're working on sports or you're working in the corporate world, you got to have good training, good mentorship, good coaches, right? If I want to get to the league, I got to be around players like, LeBron James. I got to be around players like, Carmelo Anthony and Chris Paul and those that are great, Kobe, in order to get to that next level. Trading's the same thing. You got to be around the right mentors. You got to have the right coaching, because there's a lot of coaching out there, but some of them are G League, but some of them are NBA. With that being said, I hope y'all had a great week in the markets. Be safe out there, and hopefully I'll be talking to y'all soon. Look out for the analysis coming on Sunday for the upcoming week.